Carbides are applied in industries from natural gas exploration to woodworking to snowplow blades. These vast array of applications have one thing in common. They require their carbides to operate well in many tough conditions. For great quality cemented carbides, please come to JIMS. We are one of the first manufacturers in China to produce cemented carbides. We are focused upon the development, manufacture, and sale of both cemented carbides and related products. The company was established over 4 decades ago and has achieved great success. This quality experience has allowed us to develop unrivaled expertise in this field. We currently operate the largest cemented carbide production base in the northern part of China, backed by a workforce of over 600 employees and more than 300 diverse processing equipment sets with an area of around 48,000 square meters. Our company is located in Jinan city of Shandong province. We are strategically positioned to develop technologies with robust R&D capabilities. Our technology center is home to more than 200 skilled technicians, including 2 industry experts and 28 senior engineers, enabling us to achieve 18 patents and copyrights. Our company has numerous certifications, including ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, as well as the OHSAS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification. Our Qilu brand cemented carbides have been widely applied in various industries, such as machinery, metallurgy, and mines, etc. Now let's have a look at our manufacturing base. Our total annual production capacity has expanded to more than 2,000 tons of cemented carbides. We boast an organized and efficient production line from the processing of raw materials to finished products. The manufacturing operations include powder preparation, compression molding, extrusion, low pressure sintering, grinding, quality control, and testing procedures. We can offer a complete range of cemented carbide products. Our quality carbide anvils can be used in synthetic diamond industry. Our company has been the largest production base for carbide anvils in China over the years. The outstanding performance of our products is highly appreciated by our wide range of customers. We utilize advanced FG technology to produce the functionally graded carbide inserts. This allows for a great increase in both lifespan and surface hardness. The toughness of our carbide product is unrivaled. Cemented carbides for oil and natural gas exploration. Tungsten carbide rods. Tips for the geological exploration tools. Tungsten carbide tips, inserts for TBM cutting tools. Tungsten carbide burr blanks for woodworking. Tungsten carbide cutting knives and discs for metal cutting. Brazed carbide tips. Carbides for the mining tools. Carbide inserts used in snowplow blades, and other high-quality cemented carbide products. Welcome global customers to visit our factory and gain a deeper understanding of our products and manufacturing techniques. You will find we run a meticulous production facility which produces high-quality products. Come to JIMS for the finest tools your mind can imagine.